This morning, we're all going to take part in our own short act of remembrance. I want you to sit still for just 1 minute and read the information that will appear on the screen. You need to be respectful during this time. In days past, the officers gave out their commands on the bugle. The last post was played at night when everyone was to rest. Then reveille, which is the bugle call, which was played in the morning to wake everyone up again. So now we're going to hear the last post, and you can read the words on the screen. Then we will have our short silence, and then we will hear reveille played as well. Please be respectful, ladies, during this time. They shall not grow old, as we that are left to grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them. Let's bow our heads in silence. When you go home, tell them of us and say, for your tomorrow, we gave our today.